Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get unbanned from TikTok. If your TikTok account has been banned or restricted, it usually happens due to a violation of TikTok's community guidelines. This may include content violations, repeated reports, or unusual account activity. The first step is to open the TikTok app. Try logging in using your account details. If your account is not banned, you will be able to log in normally. If your account is banned, TikTok will usually display a message explaining the restriction. You may also see an option to appeal the ban directly. Tap on the ban notification and select the appeal option if it is available. Follow the on-screen instructions and clearly explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. You can also contact TikTok support directly through the app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Help Center. From there, choose Recover Your Account and submit a request related to your ban or suspension. Be polite and provide accurate details about your account when submitting the appeal. After submitting the request, you will need to wait for TikTok's review. Response times can vary, and there is no guaranteed outcome. However, many users regain access if no serious violations are found. You've now learned how to appeal a TikTok ban and contact support to request account restoration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.